imported models for the Chevrolet SSR is 2024 mini pickup truck to find out and discuss how to find and where is located the VIN punching and the chassis number locations. We have to skip that's two. The windshield numbers and stickers is very not important, is easily can replace, but the unique and the important point is the VIN chassis number on the frame. So before that we have to find out to go the right location, the exact locations for this 2004 models. Let's give you a little bit short review how this look like, the interiors, the body structures, and the engine is coming with the supercharged this high voltage engine. This is 8 cylinders. It's a rare model of the Chevrolet. Look at the supercharged is look like high modification, but this is original engines from the SSR Chevrolet. Before that, to show you a little bit outer structures, the body structure is how it look like this. This is the rare models, not familiar on the market. Back to here on the right side frame area, this is the VIN and punching number location is here on the right side frame. We have to lift the car, otherwise it's not easy to find out. This was the short information related to this SSR 2004 models. For more interesting videos, subscribe our channel, leave your comments, follow on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching once again.